sounds like a school bus horn. That's 5641. Yeah, it's a foul train horn, folks. See if he does it more at the railroad crossing. Sometimes they do it in reverse, sometimes they don't. See if he does it. I guess he's not going to do it. Train horn sounds kind of funny. It reminds me of a second gen CE almost. So I got one of late rail phoner friends here, but the problem with that is the train comes here all different times of days. It's unpredictable. That was Norfolk Southern foul train horn. Reminds you of a second gen CE horn. Like, you know how the school buses have them distinctive car horns? That's kind of what that sounded like. Never know what you get over here. Be nice if they brought a high hood here one day. I've seen a CSX, I've seen an X-Con rail. I've seen a lot of things back here. Be hard to believe. I've seen some high rails. It's all different times of days though, so you gotta pay attention because you never know when it can happen.